Hey everybody, thanks for tuning into today's video. We're doing the week ahead forecast. Today we're going to have a detailed look at weather for the week ahead across the British Isles. It's not going to be a particularly exciting week to come. The first week of September is going to have a lot of high pressure really dominating the weather, giving mainly dry conditions. Though we will be bringing weather fronts into that high pressure from the north at times. That's just going to produce a lot of cloud really in southern parts of the country, although there will be heavier rain at times across northern and northwestern Scotland. Anyway, before we get on with the video, just want to talk about the advertising. There'll usually be a video ad overlay on my web videos at GavsWebBits.com. Please play those video ads because you'll be supporting GavsWebBits.com by doing that. Also want to mention the websites I'm using for this video. We've got the radar pitch here from the Met Office. We've got the charts from theweatheroutlook.com and also from weatherzentral.d. You can find all three websites on my links page. Just click on the links tab, which is at the top of the page in the navigation bar. Click on the links tab, you'll go through to the links page, and there you'll see the links for all three of these websites. So this is the situation today with the radar picture. We've got some rain coming into the far north and northwest of Scotland, but the bulk of the country actually dry today. A lot of dry weather across many parts of the British Isles. That rain in the north is going to gradually move southwards through the course of today. So this is the jet stream for today, and the jet stream has gone north. We've been waiting for the jet stream to go north. It is going north. It's going to stay north throughout much of the coming week. So the jet stream today is running into the far north and northwest of Scotland. It'll go even further north at times through the course of the week, setting us up for quite a decent spell of anticyclonic weather. So this is the pressure chart for today. We've got the Azores high bridging into the south, low pressures to the north of Scotland. There's the jet stream running along these isobars here, and we've got weather systems coming into the north and northwest of Scotland. So we are going to find that rain setting in across Scotland through today. So that rain could be quite heavy actually in the north and the west, but generally light and patchy in the south and east. Now the rest of the country having a lot of cloud at the moment, but I think we'll find the sun breaking through some of that cloud through the course of the afternoon, giving some bright or sunny spells, but generally we probably keep quite a bit of cloud in many parts of the country. So it's quite a warm air mass today coming in off the Atlantic, but we probably don't realise the warmth because of the clouds. So temperatures actually up to around 21, 22. 22 is 72 Fahrenheit. It's not as warm as it could be if we got glorious unbroken sunshine. Now overnight we're going to find that weather system coming southwards across England and Wales, and there's some uncertainty about this. The GFS model wants to take some quite heavy rain down across England and Wales tonight, whereas the high resolution NAE model from the Met Office that suggests it's just going to be light and patchy. So the weather system coming southwards through Scotland and Northern Ireland through the evening, taking a band of rain, coming south through northern England in towards the rest of England and Wales later on in the night. And how heavy or extensive that rain is open to question. It may either just be light and patchy drizzly sort of rain, or it could be somewhat heavier with clearer weather following to the north of Scotland. A mild night tonight, temperatures no lower than 12 or 13 degrees. Tomorrow we've still got that weather system across England and Wales in particular, so we could well have cloud, we will have cloud I think across England and Wales, and again there could be some quite persistent rain in the morning, or it may just be light and drizzly, very much open to question, but in any case it'll all die out and the sun should eventually break through quite a lot of that cloud for the afternoon, giving some bright or sunny spells. Scotland and Northern Ireland having a brighter day than today with some sunshine, but also the risk of some showers. Temperatures around 21, 22, possibly 23 degrees once again. So again, we're into the low 70s Fahrenheit for sunny, but there is question marks about how active that front is as it comes southwards. Going into Monday, high pressure really is dominating the weather, but we've got this area of low pressure developing up to the north of Scotland. This is actually the remains of Hurricane Kirk. It's running to the north of Scotland. It'll be taking weather system across Scotland through the day. But notice the isobars are tightening here, so the winds will get up across Scotland and Northern Ireland through the course of Monday. There'll be some quite heavy rain moving on to the western side of Scotland through the day. England and Wales staying mainly dry, hopefully more in way of sunshine really across England and Wales. A sunnier day hopefully on Monday. Temperatures lifting up to around 25, maybe 26 degrees, so we're up to the high 70s Fahrenheit, 77 to 79 Fahrenheit. But up in the north, of course, with the winds setting in and the cloud and the rain arriving in the northwest, it's not going to be as warm as that. Temperatures probably around 19, 20 degrees at best. On Tuesday, we're bringing back cold front southwards, but remains of Kirk has gone off into Scandinavia. It's quite a deep area of low pressure, but there is a cold front coming southwards across the country here. That'll just be taking a band of cloud, really, I think, across England and Wales on Tuesday, with brighter, showery weather following into Scotland. Some of those showers may be on the heavy side in the northwest, but a lot of dry weather even for Scotland on Tuesday. Temperatures around 24, 25 in the south before that cloud rise from the north, but tending to drop away to around 19, 20 as the cold front clears. Now overnight Tuesday into Wednesday, we're going to find high pressure building back in across the country. That sets us up for a fine day, virtually nationwide on Wednesday. But it will be cooler, we'll be in a cooler air mass now, so by Wednesday I think we'll be seeing temperatures down to just the high teens or low 20s, so around 16, 17 in the north, probably around 19, 20, maybe 21 in the south. Lots of sunny weather, but it'll be quite chilly to start on Wednesday with heavy dew on the grass and maybe some mist and fog patches as well. And again, that'll be the case on Wednesday night also. But Wednesday itself, quite a nice day with a good deal of sunshine, but temperatures not terribly exciting. Going into Thursday, and there's some uncertainty about this now. Some models want to keep that high pressure centred over the country. This model, the GFS, wants to take that high pressure back out a little further west and bring this low pressure in to the north of Scotland. So some uncertainty about this. I think we'll go with the GFS for now. Probably seeing some cloud and rain coming back in towards Scotland and Northern Ireland through the day. A lot of that will be light and patchy, but there may be some heavy bursts in places, but wind freshening as well. England and Wales mainly dry and fine with sunny spells. Temperatures again around 19, 20 degrees for many of us, so really quite pleasant. High pressure comes back in from the Atlantic as we go into Friday, becoming central over the country again, possibly with a weak cold front across England and Wales, just producing more in the way of cloud, but mainly dry weather across England and Wales with perhaps a few showers in the north, but also a lot of dry weather up there. Temperatures again around 19, 20, maybe 21 degrees, so it's warm but not particularly exciting with the temperatures. And then going into Saturday and into the weekend, that high pressure really looks like it's dominating the weather, keeping a lot of dry weather going, mainly fine weather as well. Temperatures nothing really to get excited about, around 19, 20 degrees, so warmish but nothing particularly hot. And there's the jet stream forecast finally for the end of the week into the weekend. The jet stream well north across Iceland going down into Scandinavia, and that leaves us under the area of high pressure. Finally, having a look at charts from weatheroutlook.com, we'll quickly whiz through these because there won't be a lot to see. This is the situation today, mainly dry weather. It doesn't show the rain in the northwest of Scotland, but there will be rain setting in across Scotland through the course of today, coming down into Northern Ireland as well. Now as we go into Sunday, again a lot of dry weather, but there could be rain in the south on Sunday morning. Monday, a lot of dry weather, fine and bright with good sunny spells. Winds freshening in the northwest, so producing some rain later on in the day. High pressure really dominates as we go into Tuesday with a lot of dry weather, but we've got a weak cold front coming southwards, producing more in the way of cloud, but not really much in the way of rain there. Wednesday, a lot of dry weather, fine, temperatures taking a little bit of a dip, but still quite warm. Thursday, fine weather, more rain coming into the north of Scotland, and for Friday, finally a good deal of dry weather with high pressure dominating. So there's not much going on this week. It's a mainly anticyclonic week. High pressure always in control, but will bring more in way of cloud down from the north at times, just thickening the cloud up. But really it's Scotland that gets any of the rain this week, although there could be some rain in the south tomorrow. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.